Hey you guys, it's your girl Echelle and welcome back to my channel. I bet you wanna know just what your girl eats on it. Ay, bet you wanna know just what your girl eats on it. Talk to me, bet you wanna know just what your girl eats on it. Ay, bet you wanna know just what your girl eats on it. Hey you guys, as you can tell by the title down below, I am going to show you guys how I got this beautiful install. You guys, I am so in love with my hair. So in love. Like this hair make me feel like I just need to do like a music video or something, you know, just a little shiny little residential, you feel me? I'm talking for so long in this intro, but you guys, if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this bomb ASF quick weave, continue watching. This is the top of it, how I closed it off. Before I add any more pieces, I'm going to cut the excess cap off and see what I am working with. But this is how it is looking so far. All right, you guys, I have finally completed it. You can tell that I am feeling myself, okay, because it took a hot little minute. Right now, I am getting ready to, clip the front, just layer it up. So when I get ready to pop a little curls in there, it'll have that voluminous, look to it. You know what I'm saying? So, okay, you know what I'm saying. Okay, so after I played around with it and cut it to my liking, I'm getting ready to pop those little curls in the front. I'm not going to curl all of my hair because I want to keep it at its natural look, but I'm just going to straighten the front and then pop some curls in the front as well. All right, all right. Finally finished. You guys, look at the luster and bounce to this hair. Yes, swing. Yes, yes. Oh, yes. Your girl E is giving hair model tease, okay? But you guys, I hope you enjoyed this very short and quick, but I hope informative quick weave tutorial. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, stay up.